clean out the garage. Got my Grand National. Got my Dodge Dart. Grand National's all original. Interior. Bike. Gotta have the Harley. Work hard your whole life, you gotta have the Harley. Some chrome on it. Of course, the pigeon crate sitting around at all times. Just working in the garage. Birds are still flying. I don't know if we can even see them. Got way the hell up there somewhere. Hopefully they start coming down. Got the lift in the garage. Car lift. That's what I'm doing, straightening everything out. But you know, of course, you gotta fly the birds. Well, I'm gonna try and get some more work done before it gets dark.